Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add the correct answer in Google Forms. So I have this form and I want to add a question. So I'll come here, click on Add Question, and let's add this one. Tapas and paella are famous dishes from what country? Let's add some options. So option 1, Italy. Option 2, Portugal, and I have Spain and Greece as well. So this is a multiple choice question. And to make this question have a correct answer is very easy. You need to click on this answer key, then choose how many points you want to give for this question. So I'll choose 1 point, and now select the correct answer. So the correct answer here is Spain. Then click on Done. And then this will be saved, right? And there you go. We have our answer key, and Spain is the correct question. And it's really that easy and simple. As you can see, the changes have been saved as well. If this video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more tips.